Today, we will be demonstrating the functionality of the DeWalt brand and Metabo brand electric grinders, along with demonstrating the proper PPE to wear for grinding and cutoff wheel application. Our welding supplier provided us with an assortment of gloves to test during this demonstration. We also picked up Kevlar arm sleeves, the Tillman welding arm sleeve, a welding coat, and we will be utilizing the Jackson impact resistant face shield. The Metabo brand 4-inch and 6-inch grinders are both equipped with an automatic safety clutch. The 4-inch grinder was 127.70 and the 6-inch grinder was 306.45. We will demonstrate two of the DeWalt 6-inch grinders. Both feature an electric clutch, and the 43244N model has a no kickback brake. That model is $239.99, and the 43144 model is $183.27. Daniel will be performing the grinder demonstration utilizing the following PPE. He's wearing safety glasses and an impact resistant face shield. He's wearing hearing protection. He has on a Kevlar sleeve underneath his leather welding coat, along with impact resistant gloves and steel-toed shoes.
All right, ready?
To utilize a cutoff wheel, Metabo has a Type 1 guard attachment that snaps into place. The DeWalt model 43244N features an electric clutch and a no kickback feature. We're utilizing a 6-inch cutoff wheel along with the Type 1 guard. The model 43144N is set up with an E-clutch. We're utilizing a 6-inch cutoff wheel along with a Type 1 guard.
What?
For grinding and cutoff wheel application, I am recommending the DeWalt model 43244N model with the E-clutch and the kickback brake. It also features a quick stop rotation when you release the paddle.